Hey guys, it's Chris Chaos. This is the first video I've made in months. I'm actually gonna upload a vlog, kind of what I've been doing and what's been going on. But yeah, so I wanted to start off with something like simple and wearable and easy, and I just got some new products, so I thought I would try those out. This is the look. It's very kind of neutral with a little smokiness to it, kind of sultry. I think it could very easily be day or night, depending on what your comfort level is. So if you want to learn how to do this look, keep on watching. To start off, I'm going to lay down a base of the Tough as Taupe Maybelline Color Tattoo stuff. I just got these, and so far I like it a lot. This is kind of, this is the first time I've really used it. And I'm going to lay that down with a base shadow brush from Real Techniques. So just swirling my brush in the product, and then apply that all over the lid and into the crease. And you just want to really blend this out and make sure you don't have any harsh lines, because you want this to be rather sultry and smoky. And just build it up until you get an opaque covering of that product on your lid. I'm also going to take that on the bottom, about, let's say, I don't know, halfway in. And I'm sorry if you can hear the rain in the background on my air conditioner. So it should look kind of like that. Next, I'm going to take Mystery from MAC, and I'm going to use this just to darken up the crease and just a little bit on balls. Just a little bit on the outer V, but I'm not going to make it very pointy. And I'm going to be using a accent brush from Real Techniques to do that. And I'm just going to lay that down in patting motions. And you don't have to worry about blending yet, because we're going to go back in with our other brush, or I'm going to go back in with my other brush and blend this out. Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Now I'm going to take an angle brush like this, and this is just one I got from the craft store, and it's usually what I use to do liner, but I don't want to do an actual gel or liquid liner on this. I want it to be really soft, so I'm just going to take Carbon from MAC and push that into my lash line, and then I'm gonna blend it out with that same Mystery color that we used. Then I'm going to take a Sigma E30 pencil brush and Shroom from MAC and do my highlight. And the reason I like Shroom for highlighting is because it really doesn't have much actual color to it. It's just like some satiny, like sparkliness. So I'm going to put that on my inner corner, tear duct, and on my brow bone. And we're almost done. So then I'm going to throw on some mascara. I'm using Maybelline Falsies on the top and bottom. And to finish off, I'm just going to run a little bit of cork from MAC through my brows just to give them a little bit more shape. And to do that, I'm going to be using my brow brush from Real Techniques. And that's it. Here's the final look. It's actually wearable. I know, surprise, surprise. Maybe I'm turning over a new leaf or something. Yeah, it's good to be back. We'll see you guys later.